my name's Dan and I'm one of the fabricators here at Torque and Performance in Newcastle. Today we're standing underneath a 2020 Series 5 Patrol with one of our exhausts on it. Starting at the front, this particular one we have has the factory front pipes, but we also have 3-inch front pipes available with the high flow cats. Moving on comes into our flex pipe and then into the flanges. Now the flanges are 10mm thick, 304 grade stainless steel, and they're all 3-bolt to prevent leaks. And coming into our hot dogs here on these mandrel bends, these bends actually come from our bender in Somersby, and all the material on the exhaust is 304. If you look at the bracketry, you'll see that it's all 12mm stainless steel, so it's super thick, very heavy duty. Coming into our muffler here, this is a twin 3-inch in a single 3-inch muffler. This is where it converges from twins to single and up over the diff. And as we get to the back, another straight through muffler into a 3.5 outlet.